So you said correct, byte. Why it is byte? Because as I said you here, the values are in the range of minus 128 to 127. So if a variable is holding 126, apply the common sense here. Like you can see here that if the variable is holding a minimum value minus 128 and 127, so everywhere you have to just use the logic and try to find out this. They're in various certification programs, Oracle certification, Microsoft certification in Java. They usually ask this question to check whether you are aware about this or not. So like this, they hold a value. A is a variable holding 126, then it means it's a byte. Okay. Similarly, if it is a, if I say you A is a variable holding a value 133, then what you will going to say?
Integer.
No, actually I have not started this. It will be a short type. You can see here the values are ranging from minus 32768 to 32767. So that will be short. If the values are greater than 32767, then it will comes under integer. Okay, this is in a more depth, but it doesn't mean, right? Like it doesn't mean that you cannot declare this A as an integer type. Let me explain you why. See, they are telling you the range, but if anyone asks you what is the minimum data type that you should provide to this variable in term of memory saving, then you will go for this byte because it occupy one byte. 8-bit is equal to 1 byte. Short occupy 2 bytes. 16-bit is equal to 2 byte. Integer occupy 4 byte. 32-bit as 8-bit is equal to 1 byte. So 32-bit will be how much? 4 byte. And they hold a value range minus to the power 31 to the power 31, right? To the power 31 minus 1. So you can declare A is equal to 126 integer as well. But in that case, it will occupy 4 bytes. So which is more memory efficient?
Integer. Integer.
Why memory efficient integer? It is occupy 4 byte
Yes, sir.
and byte is occupy 1 byte of 126 when they are having a range of this. So you can declare this, you can declare this A as an integer as well. But if you want to save a memory, then you are going to use a minimum configuration. Okay, byte 1, which is occupy 1 byte, having a range 128 to 127. If it is having more than 127, suppose 133, so 133 you can declare two type. Either you can declare as a short and you can declare as an integer. You cannot declare as a byte. Why? Because the maximum value byte hold is 127, but this A is holding 133, right? So you can declare A if is holding 133 as a short or integer, but which is more memory efficient? Short. Why? Because they are occupying 2 byte and integer occupy 4 byte. So this is the type of a variable you have to take care. Tomorrow when I will going to connect, I will going to explain you more program on this. So today, those who are facing the path setting error or any Java error, resolve that. I told you how to do that. Okay. Go to the advanced system setting, environment variable, and set path of your path. Okay. You have to download the JDK and run that JDK setup. And once you run the JDK, that folder will be created in a C drive. Then you have to give the path. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll connect tomorrow same time. We're going to start more program on this, and those who have already aware about this, it will be a good practice for you as well. So you can be I will going to make more program, so you will going to get practice as well. So go through this program, and that I have explained you the demo one, and I will going to explain you the basic tomorrow. Till then you resolve your error, that installation error, anything that you are facing, or if anything that you are unable to do, you can ask me in the next class. So we'll connect tomorrow. Okay. Okay, then bye everyone, take care, and do let me know if anyone is having issue. I will going to share this video by tonight, So you can go through it once. Okay. Okay. Any question, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye.